On our way, we found this amazing small waterfalls. I cannot explain how amazing every 10 meters of Iceland is. So the road here to Dyrhólaey is pretty scary, guys. It's a gravel road. It's not a 2x2 drive road. We have a 2x2, so we're driving really carefully. But you can drive, but it's really really risky. So please drive at your own risk if you're doing it in a 2x2 vehicle. Yeah, guys. So we reached it's not Dyrhólaey, guys. It's Dyrhólaey. So we reached Dyrhólaey, and the minute we parked, this is the view we got, and I'm already like breathtaken. Chandru is like, how do you think like we're gonna leave this place in half an hour? But let's see, guys. Like it's gonna take a while, and this is a beautiful, breathtaking view. I'm gonna show you right. So this is the view, guys. Just we have parked our car outside and look at the view already. Oh my gosh. So welcome back, guys. Once you're on the top of Dyrhólaey, you have breathtaking view in all the directions. So now coming to the first direction, that's the west side. So in the west side, you can see this endless black coastline, and this coastline is present in front of the peninsula, and there is a huge black arch of lava which reaches out into the sea, and that's where it takes the name from. And now coming to the east direction, guys, in the east you will see beautiful black lava sea stacks, and that's where we're going to go next, and that's your Reynisfjara. And now coming to the other direction, that's the entry of Dyrhólaey. Basically, Dyrhólaey means the hill island with a black door hole, and it's around like 120 meters in height, and you would be able to walk on the arch of the bridge. And now in the north direction, guys, you have the glacier. So that's where the water melts and joins and forms this Dyrhólaey view, and stuffs like that. So now coming to the parking, guys, parking is absolutely free. So the minute you park your vehicle, you get to see this amazing view. It's a gravel ground, so it's really risky on a 2x2 wheel drive, but we could drive up, and the road's really steep like we showed in the starting. And once you park the vehicle, all you need to do is just walk, and you can see those railroads, so you just have to walk on that. And also you see that church, and it's not a church, but it's a lighthouse, so it's a castle shaped lighthouse. So yeah, guys, let's go and see Dyrhólaey. So here you see this designated track, guys. Please do try to stay within it. It's too slippery and it's a gravel road, so when you're walking, be cautious and try to stay within it. This is like in the center of the Dyrhólaey, and here if you can see, that's the lighthouse. And that was, the other thing is like this volcano which erupted was hundreds and thousands of years ago. So all that you see here is the remains. I think that what you see is like the remains of the eruption which has been left over. And this side, if you see, this is the coastline, and this is so amazing, because when we went to Bahamas, we had such a different turquoise water, but here it's like black, like literally black. I cannot say how pitch black it is. It's really black. And that side, and usually that's what they say, guys, during May to September, you have like what do you call them, puffins over there, but then unfortunately like, they're not. So So this is Dyrhólaey. Yeah guys, so we finished actually
Dyrhólaey.
yeah, we finished the Dyrhólaey. Sorry, I'm just brain frozen and I'm hungry. So right now we're going to Reynisfjara, and then there we're gonna probably sit down for a couple of minutes and have something, because from morning we're like running around and it's exhausting. My views on Dyrhólaey, guys, like I said, that like, you know, the elephant leg, that Dyrhólaey arch, gosh, like in person it's so much bigger and so much beautiful. I really loved it. And the next one is Reynisfjara, guys. It's only like probably 20 minutes drive from here, so let's go. Elephant foot is still visible, so you just cannot walk from there, because this beach is extremely like, you know, dangerous. So you've got to drive all the way along, and then if you can see, that's the visitor center. It's like a 20-minute drive from Dyrhólaey till here. And what is the most interesting view is these rocks. So these rocks were apparently the remains of the huge volcanic like, you know, eruption that happened back in the thousands of years ago, and they are called the basmic stalls. And this is Reynisfjara, guys, and that's the parking lot. Parking lot fees is not there, so it's free again. And as we walk backwards, I can show you the parking lot. Now, come on this journey with me. Bye.